400, that's right. $427,860 in 5 months. We're up $427,000, $860 in 5 months, selling 0 DTE SPX. 0 DTE SPX. We've sold about 15,000 of them. I'm going to give you the trades for this entire week. Today is March 1st, 2026. These are the same trades we're going to put on for the next 5 days. We're going to do it in two accounts, a $1 million account, which is now up to about $1.4 million because it's included all the profits. And we're also going to do a $30,000 account, which is up about 11 grand. So it's going to do 41,000 in buying power. So the first one will be $1.4 million of buying power. Next one will be 41,000 in buying power. We give you these trades every single Sunday night at 6 p.m. We also trade live every single day at 3:25 Monday through Friday. That's 3:25, and we win or lose about $6,000 every single day. Win or lose $6,000 in the last 9 minutes or so. Let's go ahead and take a look at these trades so you can see exactly what they are. We trade 0 DTE SPX trades. They're all decided on by AI. We don't decide on these. We do some manipulation of them, but it's primarily AI. They're all put on by bots. We do millions of backtesting. We backtest millions of trades every single week. We do it weekly. We look at different premiums. We look at different entry times. We look at any different stop losses. We look at different profit targets. We come up with the best 200 trades. We put on about 120 trades a day, about 40,000 trades a year. We use AI as our personal assistant is Vera. She does all the work on figuring out which trades. Like I said, we use Options Omega for all the back tests, and we use Options Omega for all the robots that place these trades. When we do 0 DTE SPX, we're doing multiple entry iron condors and exponential moving averages. You'll see when I show you the trades exactly which ones are which. Since October 1st of 2025, when we started this channel, there's been 151 calendar days. We've had 101 trading days. We've done 15,053 trades in that time and made over $420,000. We do different contracts and trades. They vary. We do different risk tolerances than you do. We do different buying powers than you do. We do different product mix than you do. So what we're going to show you is what we do. It's not what you should do. This is not financial advice. This is for education and entertainment purposes only, so you can follow along with us during the week. Our lawyers want us to repeat, this is not financial advice. All right. Quickly, you can see here exactly what we've done over the last 101 days. You can see we made 427,860, 427,860. We've captured about 9.9% of the $4.3 million worth of premium that we've sold. And as I mentioned, we've done 15,053 trades in that large account. You can see how it's done pretty much, up and down, pretty much straight up in a very consistent pattern since October 1st. Here is the $30,000 account. Notice the difference in the charts. It's really almost identical. The only difference is the size of what we're trading. This one's up $13,000, a little more than I thought. We've done $250,000 worth of premium, captured 5.2% of that premium. We've done 2,701 trades. And like I said, we've made $13,000. So $13,000 on 30,000 is about, in 5 months, is about 120% rate of return. In the bigger account, it's about 42% that we've made in 5 months. So that's right around 100% rate of return annually. All right. So we're going to show you the entry time, the premiums, multiple entry iron condors, exponential moving averages. We're going to show you the stop loss, the wing widths, and the profit targets. I go fast, but you can always stop this, do a screen capture, and go backwards if you want. So here are the 6 trades a day by time. As you can see, the first ones are going to go on at 9:54. And this trade is going to be a $3 multiple entry iron condor with a 95% stop loss and a 50 wide wing. Let me repeat, 9:54, that's Eastern time. This is going to be a $3 multiple entry iron condor, 95% stop loss, $50 wing. When we say $3 entry, that's $3 on the put short, the short put, and $3 on the short call. Okay, not on the spreads, not on the whole iron condor, but just on the short. So you're going to collect $300 on the short put. You're going to collect $300 on the short call. Then you're going to buy wings at 50 wide or the first nickel, whichever comes first, you're going to do a 95% stop loss. Now, if you don't know how to do these things, that's nothing to be ashamed of. It's very complicated. I've got a lot of videos on our channel. They go into excruciating detail on exactly how to do it. Look for the 5-part series. The 5-part series is going to show you exactly what you want to do. All right, now let's go. And well, we've got them by time. A lot of people ask us, can we do it by profit? Sure. Now, you notice that we do have, I think, 9 trades. This is going to run about $37,000 to $40,000 in buying power. You may not have enough buying power to do the last ones, depending on how you're doing the time of day, but these are the actual ones that we will be putting on. And you can see that, by the way, when you look at some of these times, you can see that we're putting on some of them multiple ones at noon and multiple ones at 15:23. Okay, just so you know. Now, here they are by P&L. Now let's look at the large account. Now here you're going to see, you know what? You've got some no, these are all multiple entry iron condors. Great. Okay. Now we're going to take a look at the large account. Notice here you've got multiple entry iron condors and exponential moving averages. We use the 20 versus the 40. Let me say it again. We use the 20-minute exponential moving average versus the 40-minute exponential moving average. If you're not familiar how to do that, again, we have lots of videos on the channel that explain exactly how to do it. You can ask me in the comments below. I answer every single comment in every single video, and I'll be happy to talk to you about it. I also have a Discord, which I answer almost every question in the Discord, and that's in the link below. So this shows you by time, whether we're doing this one, for example, the premium, P stands for premium, $1.45. It's a multiple entry iron condor. It's going to be a stop loss of 95%, swing of 150, and that's going on at 9:47. Profit target is 0. All of our profit targets are 0. There's a time slot if you don't remember what it is. And you can see we have multiple ones going on at 9:47 and 9:54, 10:22. We have 3 of them, 10:50, etc. 11:53, 2, noon, 2. Looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them at 12:07. The last one is at 14:20 in the big account. So it's pretty straightforward. Premium, then whether it's multiple entry iron condor, exponential moving averages, easy exponential moving average, the stop loss percent, the wing width, and the time. Profit target is always 0. Here it is by P&L. This is the most profitable ones. These are the least profitable. Again, this should be a total is going to be far less than 1.4 million because we're going to put on about 120 to 200 trades in the large account, and we only give you the biggest 20 of them. I mean, we got to save something for ourselves. Am I right? Well, we were giving this stuff all the way for free. Got to keep something for ourselves. So that's what we do. All right. So I'm going to run through all these again, just real quickly so you can see them. You can record them. You can screen capture them. These 6 trades by time, 6 trades a day by P&L, top 20 trades by time, top 20 trades by P&L. Okay. Remember, most important thing, we won $427,000 in just 5 months, and we're pretty proud of, and hopeful that will continue. If you have any questions, just put them in the comments below or go into the Discord. I really wish you would, if you find any of this information of value, I'm not charging you anything. If you hit the thumbs up, that would be huge. If you subscribe, I would really appreciate it. YouTube doesn't push out our videos unless that happens. Any comment you put in the videos really helps our channel as well. Believe it or not, they love those comments. And so anything you can put in there, if you can just say, "Hi, Rob," that would be great. I would really, really appreciate that. Helps keep us going, and we're not trying to make any money. We also, by the way, if you want to use Options Omega, we got a 50% off coupon. They give us $15. Our dog's name is Barbie. We buy treats or toys for Barbie with the $15. So if you love dogs and if you love Barbie and you want to help her out, use the 50% off coupon for Options Omega. We also have a coupon for Tasty Trade. We use Tasty Trade and Schwab quite a bit. And likewise, they give us, I think, $100, $150. And we just give that to the Humane Society to help pets. So if you want to help cats, dogs, and pets, please use the Tasty Trade link. If you have any questions, we look forward to hearing from you. I hope you have a great trading week. Let's go get them. See you Monday through Friday, 3:25.